This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features a Sedona and Phantom Ecru interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Dual Wheel Cutaway 3500XD chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.